Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes on a day was found to be 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Now, geometrically means graphically. Okay, so same question algebraically and graphically. So first of all, we need to assume our two variable, right? So here we have cost of apple and cost of grapes. Okay, so we assume cost of 1 kg of apple it is rupees x and cost of 1 kg of grapes it is rupees y. So this is our two variable, right? Now we need to find first equation. So for finding out first equation, just read this line. The cost of 2 kg of apples. Now cost of 1 kg of apples it is x. So cost of 2 kg of apple it is 2x, right? Then 1 kg of grapes. Now cost of 1 kg of grapes it's a y is equals to 160, right? So this is our first equation. 2x plus y is equals to 160. Okay, then read the second line. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes. Now cost of 4 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg of apple it is x. So cost of 4 kg of apples it is 4x. 4 multiply x plus 2 kg grapes. Now cost of 1 kg of grapes it is y. So cost of 2 kg of grapes it is 2y is equals to 300. Okay, but this is our second equation, but we can take 2 as a common. Okay, so here 2. Now from 4 we can write 2 into 2. So 1 2 is common. So remaining 2x. Here 2 is cancelled because it is in common. So only y, and in place of 300 we can write like this 2 into 150. Now we can cut this 2 from both the sides. So finally we get 2x plus y is equals to 150. So this is our second equation. 2x plus y is equals to 150. Okay, so this is algebraic method, right? 2x plus y is equals to 160 and second equation 2x plus y is equals to 150. Okay, then we need to draw graph. Okay, so for a graph again we want some point, right? Coordinate of some point. So here we try to find this. Okay, so first of all our first equation it is 2x plus y is equals to 160, right? 2x plus y is equals to 160. So first of all here y is equals to, transfer this 2x to the left hand side, so 160 minus 2x. Okay, y is equals to 160 minus 2x. So first of all put the x is equals to 50. So here 50 into 2 it's 100. So 160 minus 100 it is a 60, right? So here x is equals to 50, then y is equals to 60. Now for second value, again y is equals to 160 minus 2x, right? Now put x is equals to 45. Now 2 into 45 it's a 90. So 160 minus 90 it's a 70. Okay, so y is equals to 70, x is equals to 45, y is equals to 70. Here I am going with this PDF, otherwise we can take any point. We can also take a point which is intersect with the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, means we can put x is equals to 0 and we can find y. We can put y is equals to 0, then we can find x. Okay, we can use any way, we can use any 2 point, but here I am going with this PDF, that's why I take this value. So don't confuse here. Okay, now second equation 2x plus y is equals to 150. Again y is equals to, transfer this 2x to the right hand side, so 150 minus 2x. Okay, plus 2x becomes minus 2x on right hand side. Now put x is equals to 50. So here 2 into 50. So 2 into 50, it's 100. 150 minus 100, it is 50. Okay, so x is equal to 50, then y is equal to 50. So here x 50 and y 50. Then put the x is equal to 40. So 150 minus 2x, put x is equal to 40. So 40 into 2, it's 80. So 70. So x is equal to 40, then y is equal to 70. Okay, so over here our points are ready. Then draw the first line. So first point is x 50 and y 60. 50 is here and here 60. It will meet at this point. Okay, 50 60. Second point 45 70. 45. So in x 45 lies between 40 and 50, right? So here, and y is equal to 70. So this point. Okay, 45 and 70. So draw one line which is passed through this 2 point, 45 70 and 50 60. It is this line. Okay, now second line. First point is 50 50. X is equal to 50 and y is equal to 50 at this point. Okay, so this is your first point, 50 50. Now second point, it is a 40 and 70. So in x 40, y 70. Second point. Now draw one line which is passed through this 2 point. It is this one. Now from the graph you can see that these two lines are parallel. Okay, two lines are parallel lines. So here we already learned this thing in our theory part. Okay, no solution in parallel line. So here you cannot find intersection point of this two line. That's why no solution. You can also observe from this equation. Here 2x plus y is equal to 160. Here same thing in left hand side. 2x plus y is equal to 150. This is not possible, right? Because here we get two equation, 2x plus y 160, and same left hand side we get different right hand side. So this is not possible. That's why no solution here. These two lines are parallel. Okay, so this is a case of parallel lines. We do not get any solution. So this is graphical method. Now second thing that I tell you, here 2x plus y is equal to 160, right? We can put x is equal to 0 and we can find y. So here we get y is equal to 160. In second case, you can put y is equal to 0. So your 2x becomes 160, x is equal to 80. You can take this coordinate also. Okay. While we try to solve the question by graphical method, on that time, most probably we use this method. Means we need to find we try to find the coordinate of a point which is intersect with the x-axis and y-axis with the line. Okay, so in most of the case we try to find intersection point of line with the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, but here we do not need to find the solution. That's why our question is done here. This is graphical method. Okay, so here our exercise 3.1 is complete. Okay, if you have any doubt, then write down in comment section. Thanks for watching.